If you're in 12th and thinking of taking interior design, this video is going to clear almost all your doubts. Hello everyone, my name is Khushi and I've just completed my second year in interior designing, and I get a lots of DMs from students who wants to pursue this field, who wants to gain information about this field before entering. So this video is for y'all. So the first thing is that, is interior design a proper degree or not? So yes, interior designing has a proper bachelor's degree which is of 3 years, and also you can go for diploma if you already have degree in some other field. You can go for diploma in interior designing which is of 2 years, but if you're looking after 12th, then you have to go for bachelor's in interior designing which is of 3 years. And no, it's not just decorating spaces. Interior designing field has a lots of knowledge about the technical drawing, about the material selection, about the lighting, the plumbing and everything. It's a lot. It's not just decorating spaces. Okay, so the second thing is that, can I take interior designing if I am from commerce field? Yes, you can. Whether you're from any stream, may it be science, commerce or arts, it doesn't matter at all. You can take interior designing from any stream. Okay, so now the third thing is about entrance exams. So yes, some colleges do require them, especially the government or the well-known institutes, but there are many private colleges that do not require any entrance exam, or like they basically have a simpler selection process. And so don't think that you missed some big exam to enter this field. You definitely still have better options. So the next thing is that, am I too late? So you're not at all late. This is something I get a lot. People feel like they're too late to start, but honestly most students don't even know about this field until 12th. So you're not late at all. You're starting at the same time when everyone else is also starting, but you just need to start taking this field seriously now to know more about it. Okay, so now college experience. I won't share my college name here, but I'll tell you the general experience. Interior designing is a mix of fun and stress. Like, the college is fun and stress both, because you'll get a lot of creative freedom, but at the same time submissions and deadlines can get really hectic. And also you don't just sit and listen to the lectures, you like constantly are working on sheets, models, projects, presentations, etc. So yes, it's very practical. Another common question I get is, do we have to draw by hand or use laptop? So it's actually both. In the beginning, you will do a lot of hand sketching and manual work to understand the basics, and then slowly you shift to softwares like AutoCAD, Photoshop, SketchUp. So don't worry if you're not good at hand sketching right now, because I was also not good at that, but you'll definitely learn slowly in college like I did. A lot of people also get confused between architecture and interior design. So architecture is more about designing the building structure, and it's more technical, and it is usually a 5-year course. Interior designing, on the other hand, is about designing the inside spaces. So architecture and interior design is two different fields, and also you don't need to do architecture just to enter interior designing. So keep in mind, it's two different fields. So choose based on what you're more interested in. So if you're genuinely interested in interior designing, don't overthink it too much. Start exploring, start learning, and you'll figure things out along the way. And if you still have doubts, you can always ask me. I'm also going to make a video about what we actually study in interior designing college. I've already uploaded a video last year about the things I learned in the first year of design college. And also you can check out my portfolios of first year and second year on my Pinterest account, so that you can actually see what kind of work is being done in design colleges. So until then, tada, bye bye. Stay tuned for the next video.